It's a 70, but this is my 71.
Oh. Billboards and everything. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Gotta. What was the color originally? Was it gold? Was it like tawny gold, that dark?
I like tawny.
Yeah, me too.
But no. I would, I had a GY9 tawny gold fucking 72 Cuda in high school. 344 speed.
Oh, 4-speed car too. Wow.
Yeah, rally gauges.
Best car ever made.
Hey, tell me what the front bumper is.
Is it elastomeric?
I have elastomeric bumper in the house.
Yeah.
And an NOS one for a Cuda.
Oh yeah, I saw it on there. I have one for the rear of a Challenger.
This is
71.
actually a Challenger front bumper.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't even know they would bolt that.
I did a bunch of shit, man. I filled in this shit. I shaved the
Gotcha.
fucking. I mean, I did this. I've had this car for fucking 20 some years, 21 years, 22 years.
Wow.
Long time. It's got some rubber on the quarter panels. I was just at the Mopar Nationals with it.
Where at?
At Woodburn.
Oh, I didn't make it down there, dang. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. Did you add the shaker?
Yeah.
Killer.
Yeah,
Killer.
It's got frame ties and aftermarket sway bars and fucking.
Built 340?
Oh yeah, X heads. Fucking. It's gnarly.
Damn, I love the shaker.
That's a,
Yep, gold wing.
Gold wing, yeah.
Got to. That's a must on a 71 also, in my opinion. Got to have it.
It's a Barracuda.
No.
It's a real 71.
Yeah.
But I've had I got rid of all my real ones.
Is it 8 3/4 underneath too?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
373 power lock.
Ooh.
Fucking I've done.
Oh yeah, over 20 years, I bet. God, this is nice.